Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. In this video, we will see how to create actionable buttons with links in Bluebeam Revu. Let's see how you can do so. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, go to the File menu and open your desired PDF. Select a shape markup to create a button. For instance, you can use rectangle, circle, or polygon markup. Let's create a polygon. Click and drag to create your desired vertices. Hold the Shift key while dragging to keep your vertices aligned at 45 degrees or parallel to the coordinate axis. To curve the corners, right-click the cornered vertices and click the Convert to Arc option. From the markup toolbar at the top, adjust your line thickness and change its color to match your branding or requirements. Now select the fill color for your button. Next, go to the Tools menu at the top and select the text box from the available markups. Click and drag to draw a text box and type to enter your desired text. Change its color from the markup toolbar. Now select your desired font and adjust the font size later. Click the toolbox and drag it to align at the center of your button. Once you are done, right-click on your button and go to the Edit Action option. Here, you can set your button action to jump to a specific document, page, or location in your PDF. You can also set the action to open your desired files, folders, or website links. To explore other options, watch our detailed video on adding and editing actions on PDF content in Bluebeam. Let's add a hyperlink to our website that opens if someone clicks the button. Once you are done, click OK. Now right-click your button and text box to flatten them on your PDF. To flatten multiple shapes, buttons, or text boxes at once, go to the Document tab and click Flatten to flatten the entire PDF. Now, you can see that hovering the cursor over the button prompts us to open a link. Revu will open the added link in a separate tab if you click the button. These buttons also work on PDFs opened simply in your browser window. This is how you can create actionable buttons in Bluebeam Revu. To explore other options, like jumping to a specific document, page, or PDF location, watch the next video in this series. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics, your go-to partner for all things Bluebeam digitizing construction since 2003.